Now here is a practice question that is basically related to the accounting cycle. This is a question that I have taken it from the book. This is our chapter number 3 in the book, which is basically called as the accounting cycle. The question I have just taken it for the practice, and I will discuss with you that how we have to do the transactions related to the question that has been given to you. Basically the question that has been given is basically the complete question related to the accounting cycle, that you have to prepare the T account, then you have to record the transaction to the journal, then into the ledger, and then to have do in the trial balance. So whenever the question will come into the exam or into the paper, you have to basically make the whole accounting cycle. But now here, as we have only covered in today's lecture, the topic was only the T account, so we will discuss these transactions related to the T accounts only, that how you have to post that transaction, what is the format that you have to follow, and how you have to basically post these transactions into the T account. So look at the question. This basically the Alper Consulting Services opened the business in January 25, 2018. The company has the following transaction. On January 20th, the company issued 5,000 shares of capital stock for 50,000. Again on January 20th, the company paid 400 office rent for the January. In January 21, purchased office supplies for $200. The supplies will last for several months. Payment is not due until February 15. And on January 22, the company purchased office equipment of 15,000 cash. On January 26, the company performed consulting services and billed clients for of 2,000. The entire amount will not be collected until the February. On January 31st, the company recorded $100 utilities expense, and the payment is not due until February 20th. The instructions that are given to you is that you have to prepare the T accounts, you have to record the transactions into the journal, you have to post it into the ledger, and you have to prepare a trial balance. But now here we will look only that how we have to prepare and how we have to post the transactions into the T account.